see that? It looks like a face. Do you see that?
See the helicopters right above each other?
Oh man. Look at those planes just riding right across. Yeah, they're filming it. That's definitely what they're doing because that's a crazy light show. Oh man, that's wild.
This is something you hardly ever see.
I've never seen this ever.
That was a book on a house that'll be bad. Mommy, oh my goodness. I thought there's all these ghosts coming through this.
That is so amazing. Yep, there's other helicopters lower. Yep. Wow.
Man,
Get it closer, it's better. I wouldn't want that. That's a chance of life or death.
Eric, did you hear that?
Mm-mm.
Landon goes, I would tell my boss that I would not do that. It's a chance of life or death.
That's bad.
Yeah.
Because the guy was going to
Landon, you mean if he told you to get up in the helicopter and go film that?
Yeah.
Because I'm touching something metal, don't you know? Electrical. He would be a good comedy actor.
I would tell his boss no. Not going to be able to do that, boss. I'm calling in sick.
Longest lightning ever.
Man, that's non-stop. That's every second.